Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking a look at Ethereum and literally letting you guys know why I'm buying Ethereum today at these prices, and kind of talking around the Shanghai Upgrade. It's a major event that Ethereum have got coming up, a major upgrade, and I'm mega bullish on this upgrade. So yeah, let's get straight into it. And just before we jump into the upgrade, let's take a look at the market as a whole and just kind of see what's going on first. So at the moment, we can see the crypto market is up 0.4%, trading at 1.12 trillion. Bitcoin is actually down 0.5. ETH is trading above that 1.6k level again, so holding strong, based on, I guess, news about the Shanghai Upgrade coming up as well. So holding strong. I guess not massively up in the last 24 hours, but then again, none of the tokens have really ran today. I mean, there's a lot of red in the market. If I just sort this by top runners in the last 24 hours, the top 100 coins, you can see still that kind of Asia narrative is really kicking through. So NEM, Stacks, Neo is all up. The AI narrative as well, Singularity, Net is up, Synthetics, Maker, and all these others as well. So Lido, again, kind of running off the news of the Shanghai Upgrade. And yeah, Lido's been pretty bullish now for some time as well. Anyways, if we take a look at the rainbow chart for Ethereum, so here you can see literally, at today's prices, this is a fire sale for Ethereum. So you can see here, literally fire sale section of the rainbow chart. Not even undervalued, it's undervalued. And this is the perfect opportunity. Well, what I'm doing, guys, is I'm literally loading my bags on ETH, with the token being deflationary, with the Shanghai Upgrade coming up as well, so which is going to allow you to stake and unstake your tokens. I'm mega bullish on ETH in the shorter term and the longer term as well. Obviously, I know when the bull market's in full effect, Ethereum will easily probably hit 10,000 and even more than that as well. So overall, when the bull market comes around, I'm mega bullish. But right now, I still see that, with some of these major events that are coming out, Ethereum keep growing and will potentially keep adding value to the token price as well. So overall, good time to be buying, fire sale stage. For me personally, I'm literally loading my bags at these levels. If we take a look at the stake and rewards, so here you can see Ethereum in terms of staking market cap, 29 billion is currently staked. 29 billion is staked at the moment, and that's only 15% from a staking ratio perspective. Compared to some of the other blockchains, Cardano's got 71% stake, Solana's got 72% or 73%. BNB has got literally 98%, Polygon 40%, so 55%, Avalanche. So a lot of tokens are staked on other blockchains. However, Ethereum only 15% staked at the moment, but still a very large value, 29 billion. And I guess what some people are scared of is that, once people are able to unstake their Ethereum, then there might be a sell-off, because obviously these guys have been staking for some time now. So there might be a sell-off and there might be a drop in the value of Ethereum. But, when we look at it from this perspective, there might potentially be a sell-off to start with, but then as the network kind of evolves and as that functionality evolves, more people will be staking their Ethereum and gaining those rewards. So, ETH is one of those tokens that generally individuals look to buy longer term. So you'd look to stake those tokens, and also having that confidence that you can unstake when you want to as well, obviously makes it far more attractive. So overall, even though there's like 15% stake now, once the Shanghai Upgrade fully comes into effect, then this value could probably easily be like 70% staked, which will obviously take more Ethereum off the market and increase the price, hopefully exponentially. So we'll kind of see how that plays out. And if we take a look here, so these altcoins are likely to trigger a massive rally after Ethereum Shanghai Upgrade. This article kind of looks at other altcoins that potentially could run as well when with the Shanghai Upgrade. So Ethereum Shanghai Upgrade on Feb 29th will enable withdrawals of the staked ETH, but on test network. So test networks being tested out on the 29th. Investors need to divert their attention from Shanghai updated link, ETH crash to rally in LSDs. Some of the altcoins, So potentially some of the altcoins that, you know, this article is saying that could potentially run are the likes of Lido, and we've seen Lido running as it is anyways, Rocket Pool, Frax, Anchor Network, Tranches, and SSV Network. Also Yearn Finance and MakerDAO as well. So there's just a little bit of a suggestion of some of the other tokens that could potentially run as well. If we take a look at some of these, some of these at the moment. So Lido, obviously we know that Lido has been running, but let's just take a look at it. So load that up. So here you can see Lido, last 30 days up 33%. You've also got the Lido staked ETH section as well. Let's just put that in. Okay, so that's just following the price of Ethereum. So it's basically, it's kind of like, you know, when you stake your ETH, you get the Lido staked ETH out there. So, okay, so that's fine. Go back to Lido. Yeah, as I was saying, up 33% in the last 30 days. In the last year, up 95%. So that's pretty much really bullish at the moment. And take a look at Frax, Rocket Pool as well. Just quickly have a look at some of these tokens. So Rocket Pool. And again, you got the RETH as well. So circulating supply is 19 million. Total supply is 19 million as well. Pretty small amount of supply. Last 30 days up 20%. Last year up 65%. So doing pretty good. And what was the other token that we were looking at? Frax. Let's take a look at Frax. So this token hasn't really ran, to be honest. Frax. Let's just make sure we're looking at the right one. I'm pretty sure this is the right one. I know there was a few options there. So you've got Frax shares, Frax ETH as well, which is obviously going to be the same kind of thing that we looked at with Lido and so on. Yeah, 1618, so that's fine. Let's go back to Frax. Yeah, so potentially, you know, Frax may even be a good buy, to be honest, as the token hasn't really ran in the last 30 days, only up 0.5% in the last 30 days. So if you are, you know, looking to play the game where, you know, the Shanghai upgrade is going to take effect and some of these other tokens could potentially run, then definitely Frax could be a good potential. But obviously, guys, do your own research, and nothing that I say is financial advice. So, you know, yeah, do your research before you do look to invest. But I know that I'll probably end up getting a small bag of Frax as well, because as I was saying, just looking at the metrics over the last 30 days, even a year, it hasn't really ran too much. So potentially this could be a good buy for me, just based on, you know, the Shanghai upgrade and potentially this even running as well. So if we take a look at the ETH chart, I was just taking a look at this on the daily. So you can see we're still holding above the 50 and the 200 EMA. Got a bit of a golden cross there, so 50 EMA has gone above the 200 EMA. Did have to drop back down against testing that 50 EMA level. So you see that wick just hit the level and then bounce back up again. I guess the good thing on this graph is that if I just pull in a parallel channel, so you can see we had a low here and then we had our second low up there. So it looks like a higher low, and as long as that kind of momentum is being followed, I guess we can still see trading up and down within these ranges, bounce up and down and potentially go further to the upside there. Overall, stochastic RSI is coming down slightly, so as the stochastic RSI comes down, we could potentially have a little bit of a pullback and maybe even hit the trend line and then continue in onto the upside after that. But overall, as I said, guys, I'm bullish on ETH and I'm bullish on what they're doing, and mega bullish on the Shanghai upgrade, hence the reason why I'm buying Ethereum today. But guys, hit me up in the comments below, let me know what you think about the upgrade, and just let me know what your thoughts are on the whole thing. ETH, you know, the other tokens, Lido, Frax, all the tokens that we kind of had a look at. Yeah, let me know how you're feeling about the market. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.